Helo, nôl at ni nawr ar gyfer iaith Gweini, front of house.
Rwan, o'n i'n arfer bod wrth y modd yn gweithio mewn bwytau a chaffis. Oeddech chdi'n arfer gweithio mewn caffi pryd oedd ti'n ifanc?
Na, dim ond bwyta a gyfed.
O'n i'n meddwl hynna. Rwan, ta tro y celebs oedd hi I weini mewn bwyty, a hynny yn Gymraeg wrth gwrs. Ond yn gyntaf, yn ôl i'r stafell ddosbarth I baratoi to get prepared. Ar eich traed?
Oh, really?
Sut dyn ni'n dweud welcome?
Croeso!
Pawb fel hyn. Welcome.
Croeso!
How do we say come in?
Dewch
Mewn. Iawn. So step forward a little bit.
Dewch mewn.
So give me a nice big croeso.
Croeso!
Dewch I mewn.
Dewch I mewn! Dewch I mewn!
And again. Dewch ymlaen, dewch ymlaen, dewch ymlaen. Welcome.
Croeso!
Come in.
Dewch I mewn!
Take a seat. Eisteddwch. A beth am, take a seat please. Eisteddwch. Iawn. Felly, camwch ymlaen, step forward eto. So, welcome.
Croeso!
Come in. Take a seat. Ardderchog. Beth am, maybe, actually, we forgot to take their coats before they eisteddwch. No, right.
Gai ddod. No.
Iawn. But ti ddim yn nabod nhw, iawn. We're in a very formal situation, so dyn ni'n mynd I ddefnyddio chi, iawn? Even with the individuals, even, dyn ni'n mynd I ddefnyddio chi, you. So, may I take your coat? Instead of dy got, we're going to say eich coat. So, may I... Gai gymryd, to take. Gymryd. Gai gymryd eich coat. Gai gymryd eich coat.
Gai.
Gymryd. Yeah, gymryd, like to take. Imagine getting rid of your gum. Gymryd, iawn. Gymryd. Gai
You
gymryd.
take tablets, you gymryd.
Cymryd tabledi, ti'n iawn. A cymryd amser. Ti'n cymryd amser. Ie. Gai gymryd. Eich. Your. Or dy, like you were saying. Cot. Felly, so, camwch ymlaen, step forward, camwch ymlaen. Welcome.
Croeso!
Come in.
Dewch I mewn!
May I take your coat?
Gai
Take a seat. Ardderchog, camwch ymlaen. Once again, welcome.
Croeso!
Come in. Can I take your coat? Take a seat. Reit felly, beth ydyn ni'n mynd I ofyn nesaf? What would be the first thing you do wedyn? Cynnig... Yeah, drink. So beth am...
Awch!
Something... Well, yeah, drink.
Slap it down! Awch!
So gallech chi ddweud, how do you say something? Chi'n cofio? Rhywbeth. Something to drink.
Rhywbeth I yfed.
Da iawn. Rhywbeth I yfed.
Rhywbeth I slicio?
Anything to slice? Anything to fry?
Anything to slice? Heaving our slaves?
Rhywbeth I yfed, pawb?
Rhywbeth I yfed?
Neu, or you can make it more formal. How would we say, do you want? Dych chi'n cofio, do you want? Da iawn, but remember we're going to be formal. Dych chi eisiau rhywbeth I yfed. Or you can just say, something to drink, rhywbeth I yfed.
Dech chi eisiau, would you like?
Do you want? Dych chi eisiau rhywbeth I yfed? Would you like something to drink? Iawn, felly, camwch ymlaen, step forward, unwaith eto. So, welcome.
Croeso!
Come in. Can I take your coat? Take a seat.
Can't stop it now.
Anything to drink?
Rhywbeth I yfed.
Da iawn. Right. Iawn, felly, mae 2 grŵp, iawn, 2 dîm. Bydd un tîm yn y gegin, yn pobi, ffrio, cymysgu, sleisio, paratoi, y llysiau, y cig, bob dim. Ac mae'r tîm arall yn Gweini.
Front of house.
Yn Gweini, front of house. Gweini. Felly, yn y gegin.
Well, here we go.
Yn y gegin. Yn paratoi y cwrs cynta, starter, Mr Bob Pew.
Hey!
Chef, please, from now on. Chef.
Cogydd.
Cogydd.
Bydd Bob yn paratoi salad salad twym, salad, o ddreinog y môr,
Sea bass salad.
wedi I ffrio a'i weini gyda llysiau, sinsir, chili a garlleg,
Nice.
a saws menyn
Oh, nice.
gyda grawnffrwyth pink a chorgimwch.
Oh, is that all?
I'd like 24 of them now, yesterday.
And for vegetarians, i'r llysieuwyr,
Oh, you haven't invited
Salad.
vegetarians, have you?
salad o gaws gafr
Goatsy salad.
a betis wedi piclo.
Oh, nice.
Betis and beetroot.
Pickled beetroot.
Wedi piclo.
Piccolo.
Iawn?
Piccolo. What, with the flute?
Nesa yn y gegin,
Yeah.
yn gwneud y prif gwrs. Prif gwrs, main course,
Pressure's on.
Please, me.
Ms Lucy Owen.
The worst cook in Wales. Make the main course.
Dych chi eisiau gwybod beth mae Lucy yn mynd I fod yn baratoi?
Yeah.
Beans on
Mae
toast.
Lucy yn gwneud
Oh, this is going to be a disaster.
cigoen
Oh, nice.
Gwyn lamb.
wedi stwffio
Yeah.
Duffio.
gyda chiwiar,
Nice.
ciwiar,
Chicken.
Stuffed with chicken.
a bricill,
Lamb stuffed with chicken.
chicken a
Apricots.
Apricots.
gyda thatws fondan,
Oh, nice. Fond of potato.
piwre swedgen,
Yeah.
bresych gwyrdd
Yeah.
a saws rosemary.
Well
Anything like
If I were you, I'd put a big order in
I
for
know.
the Chinese takeaway now.
Ac i'r llysieuwyr,
Oh, God.
risotto o lysiau wedi rostio. Efo gyda tomatos a chenin crimpiog. Crispy leeks. Maybe soggy leeks. Ia?
Ti'n jocan.
Na, mae'n wir. Nesa, I wneud y pwdin. Lisa Rogers. I wneud teisen gaws.
Cheesecake.
Siocled gwyn.
White chocolate cheesecake.
Gydag amaretto.
Bit of booze. Let me loose with the booze.
That's a mistake.
Ac eirin wedi potio. Eirin wedi
Poached
potio.
egg.
Poached plums. Poached plums.
That well-known recipe.
Pudding.
A Lisa, hufen vanilla. Ia?
Oh, nice.
Vanilla cream.
Ia.
Vanilla cream.
Hyfryd, ia?
Bliss.
Ac, yn pobi, pwy sy'n pobi? Baking.
Baking.
Pobi bara
Bread.
a gwneud canapés.
I went on
A
a baking course last
helpu.
week, but you're doing it.
Helpu.
Helpu I roi'r bwyd ar y blat.
Yeah.
Mr Alex Winters.
That's Gus.
He's going to get the pass.
Yeah.
Ac wedyn, yn Gweini,
Alright.
serving yn y ffrynt, ond Gweini wrth gwrs, a siarad Cymraeg,
Yeah.
a gwneud adloniant, entertainment. Wyn Evans.
Oh, God.
A hefyd, Lovely Lucy a Lovely Di yn helpu I Weini. Ardderchog?
Ardderchog. Hapus iawn.
Da iawn. Mae yna dipyn o her yn I wynebu nhw felly. They had quite a challenge ahead.
Dewch nôl ar ôl yr egwyl I weld sut hwyl gawson nhw arni. Come back after the break to see if they were successful. Gawn ni weld.